Good evening. Just had little bit more work today, so finished the class now. It's your class. Oh my god. Can you say your number, sir? Shush. Uh, Yashashwini, you know Janvi? She will help you out. She has my number. You ask her later. She will forward it to you.
तो कैसे you can have more clients, कैसे you can have more pipelines.
Okay, let's start then. Okay, Harsha is there in the session. Harsha had asked a question yesterday. So Harsha, if you are there, just put a message in text box, chat box. We will take up that question. Okay. So till now we have solved. I'm going to take two questions from triangle chapter now. Okay, and I will give you the tips also how to solve these easily. Okay, Harsha, you are there. Okay, then we'll take your question first. So Harsha had asked one question: if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, are the zeros of the polynomial, three x square plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Find the polynomials. Find the polynomial. Find the polynomial. You need to find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta plus 1 plus beta. One minus beta by 1 plus beta. This is the question. So everyone make a note of this question. Maybe this is little different kind of question Harsha has searched. Okay. Standard question means difficulty level is more. And I have told you, right, like don't think about more difficult questions much also. Observe last 10 years question paper, you will get to know. Okay, anyway, let's take this and solve. First thing in this is alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so let's find out alpha plus beta first, and then we'll find out alpha beta. Sum of zeros minus b by a, and this is c by a. First step, using this polynomial. For this polynomial, let's find out this polynomial, sum of zeros and product of zeros. So how much is this? Minus 2 by 3, and how much will this be? 1 by 3. Okay, these values we are going to make use when we are finding these two things. Okay, now what is the general form of polynomial? General form. What is the general form? Because you have to find the polynomial, no? What is the general form? General form is x square plus sum of zeros. If you don't know, then write all these things, into x plus product of zeros. Product of zeros. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. This also can be written as x square plus m plus n into x plus mn, or you can also write it as x square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is general form of any quadratic polynomial. Is it clear till here? Is everything clear till here? General form clear? General form. M and n are zeros. M comma n or alpha comma beta, these are all zeros here. They are zeros. Here minus should come, correct. X square minus sum of zeros into x, then plus product of zeros. Yes. Now you see, if you want to find the polynomial, you need to get sum of zeros and you need to get product of zeros. And these sum of zeros and product of zeros you will insert here. But now the twist is zeros are here, you see. These are zeros of new polynomial. We need to take help of these zeros to form a new polynomial. Don't think that you will just put these values in here and your answer you will get. No. This is related to the given polynomial. These are related to given polynomial. We will take help of this, but we are not going to insert these values here. We are going to get value from these two. Here we have zeros. Okay. So first let's find out sum of zeros. First let's find out sum of zeros. Whatever is required we will find, right? So what is sum of zeros? Sum is equal to 1 minus alpha plus by 1 plus alpha plus 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. Sum of zeros from here we will get. Cross multiply. So we will get 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta plus you will get 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Do this question slowly, no need to be in hurry. Let's finish properly. This much we got. Then next step what we will do, we will multiply these two brackets. I will multiply these two brackets, then I will also multiply these two brackets. So I will take 1 plus beta, take the second term 1 plus beta plus 1 plus alpha minus beta 1 plus alpha whole divided by, keep this as it is or you can multiply this also, 1 plus beta plus alpha 1 plus beta. This step. Next step, multiply 1 into 1 1 into beta, so 1 plus beta minus alpha beta plus 1 plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta divided by 1 beta alpha beta. Clear till here? Clear? Now let's cancel things here. What and all will get cancelled, just remove that. This beta and alpha. So I have 1 here and 1 here. That means I am remaining with 2. 1 plus 1 2. Then here you look, minus alpha beta. So minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, I should not write this side, I think. Wait. I will resize 1 second. Okay, so what I am remaining with, 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2, then minus 2 alpha beta divided by 1 beta plus alpha beta. I'll take 2 common from the upper side, then I will write 1 minus alpha beta divided by, here I will write 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Tell me till here, is it clear? Till here, if it is clear, then I will go ahead, or else we'll come back and explain you the previous steps. Okay, so now next you see, here no need of taking common. I think we can, without taking common also we can do. So I will not take common, I will directly do it as 2 minus 2 into alpha beta was 1 by 3. So now I have here 2 minus 2 by 3 divided by, this will be 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 2 by 3 whole divided by how much this will be? 1 minus 1 by 3. This will be 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. Now again I will cross multiply. So I'll continue here. 6 minus 2 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. I will cross multiply this. This I will cross multiply here. So I will get 4 by 3 up, and down I will get 3 minus 1 by 3, which will give me 4 by 3 whole divided by 2 by 3, which is also equal to 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 will go and I'll get 2. So my sum is equal to 2. Sum is equal to 2. Is it clear till here? Now we will find out product. So product is what? Again we will multiply those two zeros. 1 minus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta divided by 1 plus beta. We'll multiply now. We are going to find product now. Sum is 2. We got sum. We are going to find out product. So when you multiply 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, what will happen? 1 into 1 minus beta minus alpha into 1 minus beta divided by 1 into 1 plus beta plus alpha into 1 plus beta. How much you will get? 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta divided by 1 plus beta plus alpha beta equal to. So here I will take minus common, then I will write it as beta plus alpha beta. Then here it is 1 plus beta plus alpha beta. Substitute the numbers. 1 minus, what is the sum? Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Clear? Till here everything is clear? It's looking like a very difficult one, but it is not actually. These are all just multiplication I have done. Here I have multiplied two brackets, and here I took minus common, that's why inside I have written plus there. See, here minus you have, and here also you have minus. So I took that minus common, therefore inside the bracket I wrote beta plus alpha, because we know what is beta plus alpha. We have what is beta plus alpha. We don't have beta minus alpha and all. We need to avoid this. Correct? So simplify this number and write what answer you will get. Simplify this number. 1 plus, you can look here, there are two minus, one minus outside and one minus inside here. So this will become 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by, this will become 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, like this. then finally I will write here. Okay, here I'll write. So this will become 3 by 3, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 3 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So this will become 3 minus 1 by 3, and up it will become 1 plus 1, which will be 2, and this will become 2 by 3. So I will write 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3. So our product is 3. Product is equal to 3. Product is 3. Yes. So we got now sum and product. I will just go back to the general form and write it off here. So my polynomial is going to be x square minus sum of zeros is 2x, and product is this. Final answer is here. Final. Clear, Harsha? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ? ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶಾಕ್ಡ್. 2012 PYQ. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, clear, right? We'll go to the next now. Let me remove it from here. If you want, you can take the screenshots. Aim is to finish 10 previous year question papers one by one. Okay, so in those 10 question papers you will definitely have many volume surface area questions, many triangle questions, many circles questions. One thing. Number two, I am going to make a separate video on volume surface area, triangle, circles, the tough chapters. We'll cover that also, so you don't worry. Now this session is about PYQs, so I cannot I will start from multiple choice questions. Everything I am going to cover. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು. Okay, other than this extra questions and all, I'll make a video on those things. Definitely, don't worry. Just keep focusing on little you focus. Time is there, don't worry. Okay, more number of questions will definitely come. Many questions are on the way. Okay, let's take next question. Two questions from triangles now. Okay, first one, D is a midpoint. D is a midpoint. Okay, D is a point. D is a point. D is a point. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. On the side BC of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, this is the question. Prove that CA square equal to CB into CD. So here very simple thing. What you need to do first, question only answer irutte. I'll just give you tip for this. Idನ್ನ you just break it as CA into CA equal to CB into CD. ಈ ಥರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ just bring CB this side and take the CA that side. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. This is what you need to get actually. If you get this, then your question is over. Just you need to get CA by CB equal to CD by CA. Ist bandre your answer automatically this will come out. Okay, so here in this question only answer is there, very simple. So now let's begin the answer. Triangle is ABC. So let me write triangle ABC like this. D is a point on the side BC, that means D is here. So I can draw one altitude like this. Angles are given ADC equal to BAC. ADC is equal to BAC. These angles they are given. So how will you begin? First you need to write, there are two triangles now. In triangle, what is that? ADB and ADC. Okay, in triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Triangle BAC. Now you people have a confusion in selecting triangle, no? Which triangle to select? Correct? That is big confusion. So how I selected these two triangles only? Why not other? There are other triangles also here, but I selected these only. I will select triangles depending on what I need. I need CA and CB. CA and CB are coming in which triangle? CA is here and CB is here. So absolutely CA, CB are from triangle ABC. So I will take that here. Then CD, CA from in which triangle? These are coming. CD and CA. So CD, CA are coming in this ADC triangle. So I will take ADC triangle. First doubt is this only, no? Which triangle to select? It depends on what he is asking. It depends on the question. Now this doubt is clear. You got to know how to select triangles. Now your work will become easy. What is given to you? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC is given to you. Means one angle is equal, given. This is given to you. Correct? And if you see, okay, in these two triangles, letter C is common, right? That is angle C is common here. Angle C is common. If you want, you can see angle C, this angle C belongs to this one. This belongs to triangle ABC also, and it belongs to triangle ADC also. That means I can write angle C equal to angle C common. Correct? So from which similarity? AA similarity, I can write triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. Very simple. Triangle ADC similar to BAC. If these two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides will be equal by the Thales theorem BPT. Using BPT, we can write ratio of corresponding sides equal. So I will write now AD by BA. I will write AD by BA. AD by BA. Then I can also write DC by AC. DC by AC. DC by AC. Then I can also write AC by BC. I can write AC by BC. Now again, why I choose these only, it depends. Here you see, whatever you have here, write them. AC by BC, where it is here. AC by BC we have, I wrote here. Then CD by CA. CD by CA is this, I wrote here. CD by CA. These two are must. These two are must, because without writing these two you won't get answer. Then other one is AD by BA. This you can write AD by BA. Just in these two triangles which are corresponding. Corresponding means position. Corresponding means you need to look at the position. What is the position of AD? AD here, and this is BA. So that's it. But these two must come. So you can directly, that's why I told you, break it like this and use it in the question. Now simply equate the needed one. What are needed to us? Needed are DC by AC equal to AC by BC. Cross multiply. DC into BC will be AC square. Hence the proof. This is what you needed. Hence the proof. Finish. This is the way of doing these questions. Simply like this you can do. So you need to break the question here only, like this, and use these here in the final step. Use those only. Don't use anything else. No need to break your head. Directly take them and write it here. Finish. And selecting triangle is your big headache. That you need to learn. We will select a triangle based on what we need. What we need is here. In the question it is. Clear everyone? Nisarga, did you learn how to do such questions now? How to select a triangle and how to decode what we want. If you know these two things, then every question will be solved by you. Let's take next one. So selecting triangle is big headache, I know. If AD and PM are medians, if AD and PM are medians, this word is very important. Medians of triangle ABC, we have a triangle ABC, and PQR, there is one more triangle PQR respectively, where see, this question is so simple, I will tell you. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is very important thing which they have given, which will make your work very easy. This is very important thing. ABC similar to PQR. Prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. That's it. This you have to prove. AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Now you will select a triangle depending on these two ratios. Selection of triangle will be depending on these. First, let's write two triangles. ABC one triangle, then PQR another triangle. Okay, so A, B, C, P, Q, R. Median we will draw like this. This is D and let this be M. Okay, these angles they have just mentioned like this. These angles are equal actually, corresponding angles. Okay, that's the figure. Now how to begin? Listen carefully now. How will you select a triangle? Here, selection of triangle depends here, this thing. But now how to begin? First thing you need to see, he made your work by giving these two are similar. Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If these two are similar, then tell me by Thales theorem, that is by BPT, can we write the corresponding sides equal? Ratio of corresponding sides. So this implies what? Ratio of corresponding sides. AB by PQ, BC by QR, then we have AC by PR. We can write these three equal. Correct? Yes or no? And now, what is BC? BC you see here it is. D is midpoint. D is what? Midpoint. Why it is midpoint? Because median is given, right? AD is median, no? AD is median. Median means indirectly this talks about midpoint. Median talks about midpoint. Remember, median ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ indirectly he is giving it is a midpoint. So can I write BC equal to BD plus BD? ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ, from here to here x and from here to here also it is x only, that is BD plus BD. So BC will be 2BD. In the same way I will write QR equal to, now this M is midpoint, so can I write QM plus QM, because distance will be same anyway. This will become 2QM, QR equal to. Now I will substitute in this, wherever BC is there, AB by PQ as it is. Wherever BC is there, write 2BD. Wherever QR is there, you write 2QM, will be equal to AC by PR. This you write as it is. Can I cancel this to this too? Yes, I can cancel. Now what I am remaining with? I am remaining with AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AC by PR. Is it clear till here? Say yes. Is it clear? Yes. Now which triangles you will select? What is your proof? Is your proof there in this? AB by PQ, this term is there. You want AD by PM, so do you have AD by PM here? You don't have, right? So now what you do, select a triangle. Now these two come in which triangle? You see AB by PQ is coming in, or else you can see AD. AD comes this side, this triangle, and PM comes here, this triangle. You need to select these two triangles. So PQM and ABD. Now in triangle, what is that? ABD and PQM. Why I am selecting these triangles only, these two triangles only? Because this part what I need is present in these two triangles only. That's why I am selecting those two triangles only. Can I write two corresponding sides equal? That is AB by PQ. Can I equate this to BP by QM? BP by QM. Just select and see BP by QM. AB by PQ will be BP by QM. AB by PQ will be AD by QM. AD by PM this is. BP by AB PQ, then BD QM, which is AD by PM. BP where is? B is here, P is here. BD by QM only. Let's write this as BD by QM. This BD by QM, not BP by QM. AD by PM. AD by PM you should not take, Harsha, because we are going to prove that. So don't include that. Include the other thing other than this. You should not include this because you have to prove this, right? Don't include. It can be written, but we should not include that while proving. So now it is AB by PQ equal to BD by QM it is. These are two sides, side and side. We got side and side here, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So these angles are given equal if you see in the figure, right? Initially I had a figure written like this. No, if you see these two angles here, this B and Q are equal angles. These two are. They only gave these angles are equal. These are all equal. So I will write B. So here I got one angle now. So by which proportionality condition? SAS. By SAS condition, I can say triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Similar to triangle PQM. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then you have a authority to write any two corresponding sides equal. You have a authority to write any two corresponding sides equal. So finally you can just write implies AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Here you will write AD by PM, which is our proof. Here it ends. So just look at the steps, what and all you have to do. here it ends now. Clear everyone? So very simple, those 2-3 things you need to remember: starting, finding this, replacing here, and selecting the triangles. This is selecting triangle part, selecting triangles and proving those two triangles are similar, finally writing our needed portion. This is how we will do the triangle questions. Triangle questions, you have to carefully read and mark the given things and what you want, where you have these triangles, and you have to use a lot of geometrical concept, medians here, medians and all. This and all is very very important. Okay, so I think statistics questions I am not doing. Statistics questions are easy, so I'm not going to select them. Another 2-3 questions are there, I think we will finish them off. Then do the diagram. Now case based questions now. Case based questions, what is the total perimeter explanation? Okay, we will stop here. Another 3 questions are there, large questions, so I will have to paste them here. Okay, if I keep writing those, it will take lot of time. Answers are simple, but questions are very huge. So we'll stop and we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow this question paper will end. By that we finished the 2 question papers. Then third question paper will begin, I will tell you. Tomorrow is holiday, right? Or you people will have school, I think. So if it is holiday, then make use of the time properly. Try to finish, make use of the time properly tomorrow. Don't waste, don't go here and there. If you go to school also, come back fast, finish the function, come back and get back to your studies. I think yes, Saraswati Puja, okay, let Goddess Saraswati bless you all. Okay, bye bye, take care, thank you all so much. Okay, so many of they are not attending, so ask them to attend, man. Ask them to attend. 2 question papers over, like this 10 questions papers will over immediately. 10 will immediately get over. After that I will not solve any question papers. 10 I have selected, will finish these 10 and stop. And we'll make videos on volume, surface area, triangles, circles, in fact all the chapters 1 to 14. Just maybe I think don't know, like just planning when to start. Correct. Yes, take care, good night, bye. Sorry.